love this one because these tines are bigger and lower. Firstly, we have our Hokema Kalimbas collection. Hokema is made in Germany, just like Feeltone made in Germany. And we have the Kalimbas on the wood cherry block, or the Sansulas, which are Kalimbas mounted on a drum head. Starting with the B15 because there are 15 tines. I love this one because these tines are bigger and lower. They sound so warm. And of course you can play them together with the monochord back and forth like I'm doing, or you can play them with more than one practitioner, one playing the melody, one playing the monochord with both hands. Or if you're a solo practitioner, it simply allows you to transition beautifully. You may be playing the monochord with two hands, and then you can seamlessly go into playing another instrument that matches.